Okay, so today we thought of discussing about the set reconfiguration, and we'll configure this and we will perform the things actually now. Okay, now we have discussed what is an activity area, I believe, right? Hope you remember at the time of simple inbound, we were discussing of this particular activity area. Do you remember that, guys?
Not 100%. Yeah, yes.
Like we have defined something called as an activity area and an activity. What was that?
That is the global storage bin that are grouped together, fitting warehouse or related to picking. It is easy to define the bin stored identity as different.
No idea still.
Wow. Activity area. For me, activity area, it could be a picking area, unloading area, putaway area.
No.
No.
No, we have defined an activity called as put away and we have sorted the bins. Did you remember that? At the time of automatic put away, we have defined an activity area, right? For the each and every storage type. Why do we define that?
Can you remind us, please?
What is your warehouse? ZW46, huh? Okay. What is this activity?
Put away.
And
Yeah.
hope we discussed on this part, I guess, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so activity area is nothing but it's the same thing like whatever we are trying to do here, right? So we are trying to group a multiple storage bins basically into one activity, right? Whether it could be a put away activity or whether it could be a picking activity or whether it could be an internal or a posting change or whatever. So if you remember that, I've told you the warehouse process category will be defining what kind of an activity that you are performing it, right? Whether it is a put away or a stock removal or an internal or a posting change, right? So based on this, we will be defining and we will be creating the activity. What activity we will be determining, like whether if it is an put away or a stock removal and all that stuff. You're getting now at least? Hello?
Yes, we got it.
Hello? Sorry?
Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it.
Yeah. So based on that, we have how many storage types we have defined, guys, here? We have defined two different storage types, right? And for that two different storage types, we have to create two different activity areas and two different activities, and we need to sort out the bins. That's the one thing which we will be defining and which we'll be doing it. Okay. Apart from that, guys, okay, what we are having, okay, we have something called as a deconsolidation. Okay, what was that again? Means any of the deconsolidation process. Okay, you always need to remember this. This particular deconsolidation process normally will help in such a way to determine us the products. I mean, like whether we are having two different products here. You see that. So how does this particular deconsolidation works? This deconsolidation will be working in such a way that we will be having two different put away strategies and two different storage type search sequence and two different storage types and two different activity areas and two different consolidation groups. Now we need to define this consolidation groups actually. Now what is this consolidation groups means? For each and every storage type, we will be giving a unique number. Means the system will always determine in such a way that the consolidation group is a mandatory for us. This will be helped in order to perform our picking or normally this will be helped in two different ways. One at your deconsolidation one, and the second one would be at your packing of your outbound work center. At that time, it will be helpful to consolidate it differently. So what is happening here? So for each and every storage type, whatever you're trying to do the deconsolidation, you should have a unique number range. So it's a kind of an identification. So what does that mean? A storage type is having a unique identification in the sense, obviously it is for the products. Agree?
Mm.
Now, in this particular activity, if you remember that we have already defined two different putaway strategies, right? For the products, and two different storage types we already defined, and two different storage types we already defined. But only the thing is the activity area and the consolidation group, which is the one which we have to do it now. Okay. Just now we have created the event does not exist. What is this?
EC1, right? Z
The
activity
activity
area.
area
ZD.
DE2 we have, oh sorry, ZDE1, right?
Mm.
So if you see this, I have created two different ones actually. One as DE1 and the other one as DE2, right? Now, in order to have the consolidation group, actually, if you see this here, we have something called as a full deconsolidation group. the system is automatically pulling up the deconsolidation group. So this is the number range which we have given at the initial stage. So that's how it is coming up here. The same way, even for the other one, if you see that, okay. So for both the bins, if you see that, I mean, like for the storage types, we are trying to have the consolidation groups here. You see 1 lakh and 1 lakh 1. You getting that? Hello? Hello?
Right. Yeah.
Yes, Ram.
Okay. However, define the sort sequence for the activity area here.
Can you ask a question, Sri?
Mhm.
Always the activity area and the consolidation one consolidation can have many activity area and consolidation one consolidation area for many activity area. It could be. Is that right?
I'll come back again.
Said multiple activity area to one consolidation.
No, it can't be. It is a one-to-one relationship.
One-to-one? But you show in the screen it is one consolidation area for two different activity.
No, it's separate completely.
Okay, 1 to 1.
lakh,
Okay.
yeah, it's 1 lakh and 1 lakh 1 are the two different consolidation groups, right?
Okay, got it. 1 to 1. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So what is my activity area? ZDE1. My activity is put away, and my storage type would be what? DC1 for the first one. Okay. So the other one is ZDE2 put away, DC2. Okay, so these are the two different activity areas and two different activities, whatever we are trying to assign it. We have done that. However, now we have to sort the bins. Okay. Activity area is what? ZEDE1 activity is put away, right? Activity area is ZDE2 put away. Okay. Fine. Now we have created the bins and we have done everything. There is only one last setting which we will check out for that, and then we'll finish. We'll start running the scenario.
Sorry to cut you off. I have a question.
Yeah,
Usually,
Karthik.
we will be creating bins with respect to storage type, storage
Hmm.
location. So here, how different is from that and this? Because here Putaway also comes in place, right? Activity area also coming in
Oh,
place, I
maybe
guess.
because we are distinguishing between the activities, what kind of an activity that we are performing to that bins. So again, so the activity areas are nothing but it's a logical subdividing of the bins again. So each and every bin we are trying to give an activity, telling that okay, you are having an activity of a put away, and you are having an activity of a picking, and you are having an activity of such a way that you are segregating again it into a logical subdividing of the bins, okay, such that it will be helpful in order to create your warehouse orders, and it will be helpful in order to create your picking and put away very effectively. That's the reason we'll have these activity areas. That's a logical subdividing of your bins into certain activities. That's it. It's nothing to do with the storage types or whatever. Storage types, it's a master data. And again, this is a master data kind of a thing where you will be dividing your activity areas based on your aisle and based on your sections and based on your things and all. Okay.
And as you said, so I mean, it's okay. Fine, fine. I got it now.
No, what happened to me?
Nothing. I mean, it was clear. I had another doubt, but that is not relevant as a.
Okay. Now we know that what is an IV02 and we know that what is an IV01. What are those tips?
Those are
Oh, study that.
different stages, right?
That's
IB01,
Different
IV01.
process steps like
Feel that someone
unloading,
has deleted this.
uploading,
Okay.
We have
configuring,
IB01,
preparing.
IB02, IB03.
Yeah, what exactly the steps represents? That's what I'm asking.
One
Unloading,
of them, the
deconsolidation, put away.
unloading the comp. Yeah,
From
yeah,
where we are unloading it?
from the door.
And where is the
And
destination for us?
we deconsolidate it, and
No. So from the door to the GR, right? The first step is where? To the GR, ideally, right?
yes, good decision.
Now, yesterday you have asked me one question, Karthik. Karthik or Mohan, I'm not sure who has asked me this. Like if I want to have a multiple work centers, how can the system will determine? So now that configuration plays over here now. Okay. So what happens here is IB01 and IB02. Now from IB02, if in case based on your product attributes or based on your different handling unit types, okay, you always want to go to a specific work center. Then that point of time, what happens is you can hard code your bins, okay, instead of going to the rule based one. So there is only one option always here. Either you can go for a rule based or either you can go for the hard coding one. You can't go for both the things. Hard coding will come into the picture when you're having a specific HU type groups or when you're having a specific handling units coming into your warehouse where you want to have it. Like example, like yesterday, as I said that, like I'm not sure today Krupa has joined. Yeah. So if you want to have a bulk handling units to be handled, and if you want to have bulk handling units, normally we will not deconsolidate. But if you want to have an high rack and if you want to have a low runner area, maybe okay, low runner area in the sense where KLTs will call actually in the warehouses actually. So that particular KLT is what happens is that comes in a small boxes basically. Okay, where you'll have your bolts and nuts and everything. Then that point of time you want to separate that handling units basically. Then that is a different storage type and this would be a different storage type. So practically in a warehouse, if you set up only one deconsolidation station, the travel distance between the activities would be very high. Means it takes a lot of time to perform each and every activity. Instead of that, what we do is in the real time, so we will set up another HU type, okay, or another handling unit type for that, and we will set up another workstation, and then we will hard code that particular workstation to that specific area. So that's how we can even define a multiple ones based on your business, and you can hard code it here, or you can either have it as a rule based one. Okay, that is one thing, guys. Okay, so now probably I believe pretty much all the configuration we have done. Now let me see how far the system supports us, and let us
I
see.
mean, sorry to cut you. Here you have selected one line item, right? With
Mm.
warehouse and what you have warehouse process type as in 3065 something it was
Yes,
there.
yes. We have only defined the process steps. We have not defined the warehouse process steps. So 3060 is for your unloading, and 3065 is your put away. Means these are the other warehouse process types. So as I said, that each and every movement should have one activity, right? I mean, like 3060 what? Put away of your handling unit, and 3065 is your unloading one actually. Okay, so these are all the warehouse process steps. So but your warehouse process step ZW46 is only holding the steps of IB01, IB02, and IB03. That's it, right? But these are the standard ones which will be assigned to IB01 and IB02 and IB03. We haven't assigned any process types, if you remember, right, to our external steps.
Yeah, that's what I want to ask you.
Yeah, these are the
So,
standard ones which we will assign to that. Yeah.
and we can see, I mean, in our stock report, in what activity areas, what all
Yeah.
present, something like that.
Yes.
Okay.
We can see that. Okay. Any questions?
Once you complete all a scenario, I would like you to show me the stock report for individual activities which are happen in this inbound.
Individual activities in the sense, I didn't get that.
See, when we distribute the delivery, I would
Hmm.
like to see the, I mean, report of stock. What would be how it would be appearing, and after performing an warehouse order, after after having an activity, I want to see the monitor of that stock report. Just want to see how the process steps will be differing. That's it. Is my question is
It's
understandable?
clear. That's clear.
Okay,
I'll show you.
thank you.
So in POSC, the mandatory thing is what, guys? I've said that we need to have the handling units mandatory, right? So we need to pack it, the very first thing. Okay. 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 First thing is we have to check whether our warehouse process type is getting determined or not, because we have defined a custom warehouse process type. It's not the standard 1011, or it's not about 1010, which has to get determined. So the first thing is, as per our configuration, ZW46 is getting determined, the very first thing. Okay. And the door is also getting determined. Why? Because we have assigned our staging area and everything. The goods movement bin is getting determined, which is the door 1, and the staging bay. So everything as per our configuration, it is coming into the picture. Now inbound delivery, follow on functions. If I click on this warehouse task, what happened? Could not fully determine the destination data. Strategies were not able to find out how. Wow. No suitable bins were found. Okay. What happened? ZD2 we have already given. What was the issue? So this is okay. What did they maintain? DEC1, DEC1 and DEC2. Assign storage types. DEC1 is assigned to DEC1, DEC2 is assigned to DEC2. Fine. 46 ZD1. Okay, DEC1 and DEC2. Okay. Specify storage type. ZT1, ZT2. Okay. Same. What's wrong then? Optimization. Whatever strategy and process type. Fine then. What is creating the issue then? Where is missing? We will have the headshot type also. Then WM46. My HU type is what? 46 WM, right? And the storage bin type is standard only. I've taken B001 or something. Different HU types. Yes, this is fine. What else? Maybe sorting is missing. 1 second. I believe we have done this. Okay. Now it is creating. Okay, fine. So let me save that. You see this here, how many warehouse tasks are getting created, guys? 3 different warehouse tasks. Agree? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So now warehouse task can confirm. So from where to where the first task is getting created? From 9030 from WM46-door1 to 9010 to GR zone. What is the first step? IB01 is getting triggered for us. Agree? So I'm confirming and I'm saving this. Okay. So the first unloading task has been created successfully, guys, or not? Hello?
Yes. First unloading task is been done.
Yes, because we need to have the unloading task first thing, right? One second, not this one. Now you see, coming to your example, Karthik, you want to see where exactly the stock and what activity is happening and what kind of steps. Everything you can see it over here now. Okay.
Yeah, it's clear.
Now you see this. What is the second step? We have an IP02. From where to where it is going? Normally from 9010 to 8010. Right? Means from the GR zone, we are moving it to the deconsolidation station. Right?
Yes.
And now what we are trying to do now, we do have the other warehouse tasks getting created, the IB03 and IB03. You see that?
Yes, yes.
So we do even have the tasks here, but those tasks are in waiting. Why? Because we have to complete this complete put away. Then only this will be opened. Until unless you have seen 3 different warehouse tasks. So the 3 different warehouse tasks are nothing but one for your IB03, which is for your DEC1 storage type, the other one for your DEC2, and this is the one. So these are the 3 different warehouse tasks which got created there, basically. Okay.
Sriram, here inbound delivery reference is there against the warehouse task.
You will have it here, but not here. I can't show you here, but normally yes, we'll have it. Okay, against your
But
warehouse order, you'll have it.
but in this layout, will it be there inbound delivery?
In this layout, you can't see. In this layout, I don't think so. You'll see. It will be there in another one. No, you can't see it over here. Here you have here, yeah, the document.
This is EWM inbound delivery, right?
Yes, ERP you can't see. You have to
Okay,
see
fine.
it only at that one only. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to confirm this task, IV02 task. What? From 9010, I'm moving it to 8010. Okay. So confirm warehouse task in the background. So now this was confirmed. Now we have to go to deconsolidation workstation. Now, in order to have your deconsolidation workstation, the transaction code is //SEWM/DCONS. This is the transaction code. What is your work center? It's DEKO. Okay, let me execute this. Now, is this your handling unit, right? 3208. 3208. Now, what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to deconsolidate. What is my source HU? This is my source HU. Okay. Now you click on your warehouse tasks. So what are these warehouse tasks? 103 and 104. These are your warehouse tasks. 103 and 104, which is your IB031. Means you're segregating it now. I'm selecting the first one. I'm selecting it now. What is your pack material? WM 46-pack, right?
Yes.
Now click on execute. So what happens is system will create a new handling unit now, 201. You see that, such that the product which was there from the parent handling unit was being removed and it was being packed in a new handling unit. The same way we will do it for the other one, 3208 warehouse tasks, which is this one, and then select this 46-pack and then execute this, such that what happens here, 201 and 202 are the two different handling units what we have. Now the parent handling unit is gone. Okay. Now, as soon as we do this process, make sure that you always click on this icon. Means you're completing the process in your handling unit. You're indicating to your system that I've completed my process and there is no further action and I'm closing my box there. Okay. Such that you can see that system will create one product warehouse task or a handling unit warehouse task. You see this? This is the significance of it. Okay. So a system is created one other task for us. Now 201, right? Now you see that IB03 was in open, right? You see, from 8010, it is going to the final storage type of DE7 with a source handling unit of 201. And for this IB03, we'll go to 8010. From it is going to from decon workstation, it is going to DEC2, such that the products are being deconsolidated and this has been moved to the final destination bins. Right? Now, once it has been moved to the final destination bins, what is the stock we would like to see now? Right? So what would be the stock type we'll be seeing now? Sorry?
Sorry, Sridham, as you said, so we have done two handling unit things, right? So that is 201, 202. So it's for the, it refers for the same IB02 step. As we have two products, we are doing two things, isn't it? Okay, okay, okay. I'm just confused.
Yeah, so DEC1 and DEC2. This is a 201 and 202 handling unit. Okay, decon and all product of quantity, F2 stock type. You're getting that? This is what we usually do that. Okay.
Can I know if the, warehouse task number and handling unit will have one-to-one relation?
Warehouse task and
We create, sorry, IB02, we have one task for each material, right? So the number range of that handling unit and
2, we have only one task. We don't have 2 tasks.
two products, I meant to say, sorry.
Hmm.
In IB02, we have 2 things, right? 2 materials. For each
Hmm.
material, it created its own handling unit number, right?
Yeah, that's what we have done now in the workstation.
Okay, put away control. Okay, got it.
Okay. Okay. Any other things? Hello.
No.
Yeah, that is how we will be having this one, guys. Okay. Any other thing?
Can we get this process steps you're divided into the 3 steps, right? I mean, 3 set of groups. So can I have the document? As sequentially, step by step.
You
all
can
this
ask Naveen.
POS
Naveen is
process.
having it.
Naveen?
Naveen is having this documents. You can ask from Naveen. The same document, whatever I had, it is having with Naveen. You can check with Naveen. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Same thing. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, any other questions in this particular complex Putaway? Is it okay now? I mean, like, we are only looking into the configuration from past 2 days, right? Is it making sense now?
Yes, Sridhar, it's good.
Yes, yeah.
But a lot of config what you have to do. That's one thing.
Yeah.
Any other questions now?
Not now. Maybe later.
Okay, fine then, guys. Okay. So tomorrow we will look into the other process, which is nothing but your value-added services. Okay. We'll discuss on that part, and then we'll proceed. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay then, guys. Thank you. See you then.
Thank you, Sridhar.